Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, guys, from every part of the world you're watching me from. You're welcome to my channel today. If you've not seen me before, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Chicks Anthony, and I'm a Forex trader. I trade the Forex market. I trade both the Forex market, crypto market, stocks. I trade everything, within the foreign exchange platform. So you're welcome to my screen. You're welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, watch my videos because my video is tailored to struggling traders who have been trying to be profitable but are not yet profitable. So my content is tailored to these guys, and if you're new to trading and you don't know your left from your right, you can also watch my channel. Just get knowledge. We are in the era of knowledge. We are in the era of accessibility to the internet. So you can watch and learn anything online. If you're new, I advise you to stick to the channel because my channel is about informative knowledge that will transform your financial life and your financial status. So I have some juicy pairs for us today. I believe that is going to go well. We did some analysis and we've watched them play out, and we are happy. Me personally, I'm happy, and people in my Telegram channel are also happy. That everything is panning out the way it was analyzed. So thank you very much, everyone, for staying or for tuning into the channel today. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. Okay, just give me a moment, a moment. All right, yes, I believe you can see my screen. So what we have here, we have GBP USD. Am I going to talk about? Yes, I'm going to talk about GBP USD. So initially when I was doing, let me take this out. So when I was doing this, I remember when the market was traded around this level here. So what I did here, I didn't do much. I was just there. I wanted this market to, initially I thought that this was a double top. I saw a double top here. So I felt like, okay, since this market did a double top here, I wanted this guy to drop to this level so that we can ride it to the upside. However, that wasn't the case. It didn't go that way. So I I I I decided to allow the market to fly. So this market has broken this level, this support level, which is good. Then it came back down to retest it, which is good. So what I'm going to be doing this coming week here is I'm waiting for this market. I really want this market to do something like this, because I'm bullish. I'm bullish on this guy. I've not yet entered, however, but I'm bullish. Like the only thing I'm seeing here is bullish momentum. So I want this guy to just maybe come here, dance around a bit, take stops, dance around a bit. Give Print me a very solid double bottom. Yes, that's just what I want to see here. I want to see a double bottom here. Remember, this is the 4 hour time frame. Sometimes the double bottom forms could take like 2 days, 3 days. Sometimes it could just blow to the downside. If this guy blows to the downside, I might not be interested in the bearish. Or if okay, this is it. If this guy breaks to the downside, and I see a retracement to the upside, I will just, take minor bearish signal to the downside, just take the trade. I'm not going to send it out because this is not my ideal trade. It's not my ideal trade. My ideal trade, I like trading, catching maybe very large pips so that I can stack in my positions and enter multiple times. That's how I like trading. But if this guy breaks this guy, bleeds this guy to the downside, and I see some form of retracement, then I'm going to hop into this market. But if I don't see, I'm going to leave the market. Remember, I'm not chasing the market. I'm not in a hurry. So one thing I do is I allow the market plan out, to just pan out. And I believe that if you give the market time and you're patient with the market, you will enjoy the market. So for GBP USD, sitting on my hands here, and I want the market to do two things. One, to create a double bottom pattern so that I can, take it up, I can take it to the downside. Or it breaks down, it breaks this level, this resistance support level that turned resistance level here, then come back a little to retest this level. That's how the market works. Come back a little to retest this level. That's when I'm going to enter bearish. However, in cases where the market just bleeds down to the downside without any retracement to this level, I'm not entering. That's my own criteria for entering this market. But I'm 85% bullish on this market and 25% bearish, So anything can happen. Remember, today is Saturday, and anything can happen. So this is my own bias for this guy, GBP USD. Then, oh wow, wow, wow! Like Euro GBP, I'm so happy with this pair. I'm telling you the truth, I'm so happy. This guy made my week. Made my week. I'm so very, very happy and very, very grateful to Euro GBP. Euro GBP is saving my life this period. Oh my God, this guy is saving my life, like saving my life. When other pairs were just misbehaving, this guy was very, very loyal to me. I think I'm going to get him something. I'm going to get Euro GBP something because Euro GBP has been a good boy. So I remember if you watch my past videos rather, I started this analysis somewhere around here. I studied this analysis somewhere around here, and I projected exactly where this market wants to get to, this level. This level at 0.87370, and I predicted that, okay, this move from here to this level is about 260 pips move to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you that we've done more than, let me do the pips count now. We've done more than 200 pips to the upside, which is good. So I entered this market here. I have the script. Let me just go to my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel, so that everyone will know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yes, exactly. This is what I'm talking about. So these are my entries. So when I posted this, I told them that they should not try this at home. This is not for children. This is not for beginners. When you're watching WWE, they always do this announcement that please don't try this at home, that these guys doing these stunts are professionals. So please don't try this at home. Don't stack in this position like this. If you don't know, you don't know. You're going to blow your money. So don't try this. Don't try this at home at all. Don't try this at all. And I was able to do this 2-7. Yeah, that day, pictures for me, it was a milestone for me. And don't worry, I'm going to do a video on this account. I don't want to tell anybody on this account. Once I've gotten, no, I'll do a video. Let me just keep this as a suspense. I'll do a video on this. So this is for Euro GBP. Guys, this is for Euro GBP, and I'm great. I'm still happy. However, this guy is still going. This guy is still going up? Still going to the upside, and still going to the upside. Like it's still going to the upside. So I'm in for another round of buy. I'm in. It's still going up to the upside. So guys, nothing to talk about. Just easy peasy lemon squeezy, easy money, stressless trading. So for USD CHF, USD CHF, USD CHF has been a very, very cooperative boy. I remember when I started doing this analysis, I started this analysis 2 months ago. That's the month of May. That was when I released this analysis. And we are July. I think today is the 4th of July, if I'm not mistaken. No, okay, today is 5th of July. So I started this analysis. I brought out this analysis in May, and since July. But the market has gotten to the level. Yeah, it got here and I left the market. So I'm not waiting for another. I'm not waiting for another confirmation. They got I left the market. I don't want any, this market can be very, very funny. Forex can be very, very funny. Coming from experience, you know, uh, there's some trades that it will just remain like, let's say 50 pips to the complete pips. Let's say you did an analysis of 300 pips and the market has gone 250 pips, 270 pips to your favor, and it's just remaining 30 pips to complete. Do you know that sometimes the market can easily retrace to like 150 pips, back into your position? And believe me, you saw the market gets to 270 pips, like made 270 pips, and you didn't leave the market. You'll be like, yeah, it remains just 30 more pips. Don't worry, the market will get there, the market will get there. Before you know it, the market start retracing to the opposite direction. That's very painful. Instead of closing in 270 pips, you're now closing, let's say, 130 pips. So I've been there, you understand? So that's trading for you. So once the market got to my level, I left the market. I didn't even want to hear any in Igbo it's called Chiri Kambia. So I don't want to hear anything. I left the market. I think I have this here. Okay, yeah, this is it. Let me quickly show you when I did this. So this is, yes, I'll still talk about, so Ethereum broke my heart. It's fine. Where's the USDCHF? Yes, this is the USDCHF I was talking about. So the analysis, then the entry. Yeah, so I missed the entry. I missed my first entry for this guy. Then I entered somewhere around here, my bro. So that's this for USD CHF. What should I do? Gold. Yes. Gold. I've not really seen gold for a long time now. I've not traded gold for a long time. For throughout this year, I've not traded gold. And let me check the USD. So I remember I did analysis on gold for my first video that I told gold that, okay, if you break through this resistance level, I'm not going to be interested because you've just been buying. However, I did the analysis. Remember this trend line. So if you go back to my previous video, like the 2 weeks video, I did an analysis on gold. I can't remember which of the video, just maybe 2 weeks ago. So I did this analysis on gold. Pardon me. The code here is crazy, like crazy. The code is crazy, trust me. Yeah. Yes, that's 2 weeks ago. That was when I did the video. That was when I did this analysis 2 weeks ago. So I just confirmed using the weekly time frame. So I wanted gold to break this. level. So for now, gold is still traded below the trend line and is not looking as if it wants to go up. Now that doesn't look as if it wants to drop down. That's why I told you guys that what I'm doing, I'm waiting for gold here. If gold gets to this level, three three thousand one $3,150 per ounce, I would be so glad. Then I see a form of bullish pattern to the upside, chart pattern like inverted head and shoulder, double top, something just very unique, or maybe a flat pattern to the upside. So anything or a break and retest, that's what I like to do in the market. So that's what I'm just looking out for, so that everything can just go up. So for now, I'm not doing anything on gold, just looking at the market. Then for Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin. So initially I wanted Bitcoin. Bitcoin came to this level at 101 $1,000 per coin. And I wanted this guy to maybe drop down to like $92,000 per coin. However, Bitcoin didn't drop, So one thing I like doing is no matter how correct I am or no matter how I analyze my market, I always allow the markets to play out. How do I mean play out? Once I see a bullish what's it called? Let's say a break out of a session or not a session, a level, So I always like to see retracements. The retracement is really tentative because there sometimes the market don't get to retrace. And where the market now gets to retrace is not going to be a very, very reasonable entry for you. So that's why you don't go around chasing the market. You allow the market come to you. The best form of trading is allowing the market coming to you, you know. So if the market comes to you, you will be very, very happy. And once you're riding that market, 85% of the time it will be very, very easy, and you can capitalize on the market than running to it. It's just like you're preparing for an exam and you came late to the venue and they're already gone like 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes you to chill, to understand and to remember what you've read. Sometimes it takes you to just be patient, but if you, as they give you the paper and you write it, yes, that sometimes some people are just exceptional, but in this market, in this field, in this industry, there's nothing like you can't be exceptional rather, there's no unique, no, it is structure. You don't chase after the market, you allow the market come to you. And if you allow the market comes to you, you will maximize your opportunity. You can be in the market and allow your market to run without even being afraid of maybe stop loss hunt, or maybe the market just misbehaving, or maybe news. So that's just it about allowing your market come to you. Don't be in a hurry, don't chase the market. If you chase the market will chase you. If you chase the market will chase you. You understand? So you just have to be patient with the market. Allow your confidences to be solid before entering a trade. That's it for Bitcoin. I didn't trade Bitcoin. I've not traded Bitcoin since for a very long time. However, for Ethereum, I traded Ethereum. So let me just share something with you guys so that you will know. So guys, for Ethereum, yeah, this was my plan. Let me scroll down to the 4-hour time frame so that you guys will understand. So initially, this pattern was looking like an inverted head and shoulder. When I saw this guy here, the right shoulder, left shoulder, head. So I was waiting for the break of this trend line, this neckline. It didn't happen. When I saw that, okay, the market didn't happen, what I did, I just left the market because I know that this market wants to go and kiss my stop loss. I know that. I know these guys. They want to go and kiss my stop loss. So what I did, I just waited for this guy. You see, the guy kissed this stop loss, So this guy did double top, here again. I say, wow, this pattern is nice. Like, I'm liking this pattern. I got in here again for another entry, hoping that this market will break this level, to the downside. So I hop in here and allow the market to run. So what I observed that this market was now creating this pattern here to the upside. That was when it dawned on me that wait, there's something about this level that this market is refusing to break. So that was when I got to know that okay, this guy is not really ready to go bearish. I left the market, and I think I left the market around here. Yes, I left the market around there. I left the market in little small, tiny profits. So it's not for me, it's not like then I saw this blow up to the upside. I say, whoa, this bro, so that's why it is very, very important to pay attention. I don't look at the chart all the time, you understand, but pay attention to levels pay attention to the markets when they're in maybe major level and minor level. So this level became a minor level. So when I paid attention to the level, I said, oh, okay, so I know what this guy wants to do. Then, I left the market because the market was not aligning with what I want the market to do. So I left the market, and we saw this. So for now, yes, for now, I don't know what the market wants to do. Quite annoying. So I don't know what the market wants to do. So let me do DXY. There's nothing to trade this period. Nothing. The market has just been choppy. So for me, Euro GBP. I hear you, sir. I'm so happy. Yeah, I am so happy. Okay. So let's go to DXY. DXY actually forms my decision. Anything I'm doing or any analysis I'm doing on Euro USD, GBP USD. First of all, I always check this guy out. First, this guy is the first post up. So DXY is pointing me to the downside. That's why I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm bullish on GBP USD, bullish on AUD USD, bullish on NZD USD. So anything the market is doing, I don't want to know. I'm bullish. And I'm bearish on DXY, until DXY has created a reversal pattern to the upside. Any other thing that is doing, the market is on its own. I am bullish on Euro USD. I want to bullish on my analysis. I've not entered the market, please. So my analysis is telling me Euro USD will buy, GBP USD will buy, EUD USD will buy, NZD USD will buy, USD CHF will sell, USD CAD will sell, So not too much English language. I think I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for this time around. So guys, I'll stop sharing my screen now. Thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I'm not doing too much today. This is just me having a chit chat with you guys. Guys, Forex pays, Forex pays. And I want to tell you the fact that it pays because I was once like I was just losing back to back. I've been trading for more than 4 years now. So I've been trading for more than 4 years. So Forex pays, trust me. I'm just trying to get my feet, and this is my own personal journey, towards greatness. Watch out for me. So this is just me telling you, we are in the same level, we are in the same boat. So I understand what you're going through, I understand how you're feeling, but I just want to tell you that Forex pays, and give it time. Go for knowledge. Once you've, there are different journeys when it comes to trading. Trading of finding your strategy, finding your edge, finding your risk management, and also having the right psychology to follow up with your trades. So it's a journey. Forex is a self-development plan. So if you don't develop yourself quickly, the journey will take time. But if you develop yourself quickly, the journey won't take time. So guys, this is me. This is an advice from me to you. Continue doing what you're doing. You're not doing anything wrong. It's just time. You're not doing anything wrong. Trust me, you're not doing anything wrong. Thank you very much for listening to me. I'm very glad that you're listening. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share the video, comment any topic you want me to do, to talk, to analyze, any pair. So my next session will be life analysis. So I'll do like a life analysis, like what I did for GBPUSD, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be doing life analysis. Okay, this is what I want the market to do. I'll do a fresh analysis for, let's say, one of the pairs that I will be doing, so that you guys will know how I think, how I plot my levels. Yeah. All right, guys, take it easy. I love you guys so much from the depth of my heart, and enjoy the holiday. Bye.